Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll be.
Welcome back, folks, welcome back. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today, to the point where it's actually quite warm on the boat, a bit sticky. And the only thing with summer is, on a boat, you need a shower every day, because you start sweating quite a lot. But it's lovely, look at that. And it's 21 degrees on the boat today, and it's only morning still. But I've just come up 2 locks the other day, and I've got another 9 to do. But this is where I'm moored. It's lovely, isn't it? And I'm just outside a place called Atherstone. So I go up the locks into Atherstone, and that's the lock, 2 locks there that I did last night. Just lovely. But I'm going to stay here for a bit. I might do a bit of cruising tonight, because I've got a few little jobs to do. I'll show you what I'm doing. So where I've put the silicone on here, you can see where the rope has been taking my paint off, my centre line when I'm holding the boat. So I need to replace this. But what I've bought this time is like one of these little metal door trims. So I'm going to put that on there, and that'll help the rope not damage my paint. So I've just taken that off, but I've done some damage to my paint, look. Grr. But hopefully I can cover that up and then touch it up later. Happy days. There you go, that's one side done, so that'll protect my side of my boat from my ropes rubbing. It's alright. Okay, so I've got them on now, both sides. Protect me paint. Happy days. So the next thing I need to do is I want to get a shutter on this window in my bathroom. Also need to get a shutter on this side on here. I've done a little bit previously, so I need to finish this bit off, so I might do that now. Made one of my shutters. I've still got to stay in it, and I put like a little porthole window in it because the glass in my bathroom's misted out, so it'll let some light in. And I might even get one of them sticky sort of reef things to put around it, I don't know yet. So I just got to stay in that really and get it put up, and that's one side done. Happy days. There you go, folks. Just got to put a trim along the bottom here on this bit, and then I might put some sort of reefy type thing around my porthole type window. I've also just put on this little sensor light for when I get on and off the boat. It's brilliant at night. Only about £3 in B&M. And so I've stuck that on there, and every time I get on my boat at night, it just lights up lovely.
Girl, perfectly hurt, broken hurt, soft and asleep in the morning grey. Shake off the night and don't hide your face. The sun lights the world with a single flame. I want you to see this. I want you to see this. day and all of your days.
Good morning, folks. I didn't go for a cruise last night because I got a bit tired after doing my little jobs, so I'm going to cruise this morning. But the problem is today, guys, there's no sun. It's gone cloudy, and it would have been lovely to go on cruising yesterday. So I'm going to go now, or in about 5 minutes. Yeah, just going to have my morning coffee. Just have my morning coffee, and then I'll be off up the locks into Atherstone. Sorted. So just on my first lock of the day, and I've got helpers. Got a boat behind me and a boat in front of me. I'm right in the middle, getting all the help. So just waiting for these boaters to open the gate for me. It's great, all helping each other.
I put my phone inside the drawer. Don't need the signal anymore. The traffic noise is fading out. I turn the chaos inside out. The sun is hitting on the floor. dust is dancing in the beam. looks just like a laser stream. My coffee cup is warm and still. I'm sitting on the windowsill. I feel the gravity let go. I'm moving soft, I'm moving slow. The past is just a memory, and the future hasn't talked to me. And now I'm floating in a slow motion high, watching the heavy clouds roll by. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be, just a paper boat upon the sea. Yeah, the world is spinning way too fast, but I made this little moment last. I'm floating in a slow motion.
So nearly at the top of Athelstone Flight. I'm on lock number 4, so I've got 3 more to do. And I've got the CRT helping me, which is brilliant. So just waiting for this boat to come out, and then 2 more locks to do. And that's Athelstone Flight done. So just 1 more lock to do. Nice. So just going into the last lock now, and the sun's come out. Lovely. And now it's gone back in. Brilliant. Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for your help. So the moorings here at the top of Athelstone are packed all the way down, and that is about the best mooring I've ever done. Got in a little slot. Done all right there. I'm happy with that. Happy days. So now at the top of Athelstone Flight. Oh, it's nice to moor up. It's quite nippy today out there, so I'm going to make a nice cup of tea now. Happy days. Okay, so I'm just going to make myself some healthy little snacky bars, banana bars. So I've got some cranberries in there and some walnuts. Nice. A little bit of mashed up linseed. A little 4-seed mix, pumpkin seeds and all that sort of stuff. Some dried coconut. Let's get that in there. Oh, you know what? I'm going to grate some dark chocolate. Dark chocolate's not so bad. Okay, so just put a few oats in there. Mix them all up. Chunky bits of chocolate, nuts and fruit. Lovely, nice and healthy. Just mashing up 3 bananas. Add my bananas. Nice. Mix all that in. Pour that into the bowl. Look at that. That is healthier than any health bar you'll buy. It's got no preservatives in it. Absolutely nothing. I'm just going to put that in the oven for about half an hour. Perfect. And I can snack on them instead of eating biscuits, sweets, crisp cake pop. So whilst I'm waiting for that to cook, I'm also making my tea. And all I'm having, something simple. I've just been boiling some veggies because I've not had many veggies. So I need more veggies in my diet. So boil some of them up. And then to my vegetables, I'm just going to add this Pizza Express light house dressing. It's just a house dressing. But you can get this in Aldi and it's really cheap in Aldi. I should have waited to get that one really. But I'm going to put on my veggies and let that cool down so it's sort of like a cold vegetable salad. Whoa. Whoa. So I just added my dressing. I'm going to let that cool down and have it cold. Nice. And there you go. A nice healthy meal. Happy days. And there you go guys, a nice healthy nutty banana snack berry snack. And you can cut this up, put it in the freezer and save it for another day. Really healthy, really easy to do and perfect for the narrowboat. Happy days. So this is where I've been moored up. It's a nice little spot for the town at Athelstone, but I've got crappy views. But it's a lovely day this morning, a little bit windy. So I might have a cruise, get through Nuneaton. But it's really nice. It's been a nice little... I've been here overnight. Just got houses this side. Yeah, it's been really nice here. And that there is the old-fashioned hat factory that they're demolishing. And that was actually one of the most famous things about Athelstone, was the hats that they made here. And it's a shame really that they're destroying it. They maybe should have made it into a museum, or I don't know, but it's a shame. Anyway folks, reference my little porthole in my window. I bought this from the charity shop and it's only £1. I thought I'll cut these off and I'll stick that in there. But I've cut my hole too big. So what I'm going to do is I'll keep this one, and for when I do this shutter, I'll make sure that that fits on there. I'll cut a smaller hole. So I'll keep that one, and then on that one, I'll probably just get something else that'll fit in there, that'll look nice. Happy days, folks! Such a lovely morning folks for a cruise. A little bit windy but it's warm and it's nice. So I'm just trying to get through Nuneaton this morning. I've been told it's a bit of a area where you don't want to stop, so I'm going to have to get through Nuneaton. Well, this is lovely.
close without a shore, a door that opens to one more door. Whatever this is, it knows my name. It lived before me, it'll stay the same. It gives nothing, it takes the rest. It settles quietly inside my chest. Not reaching out, not letting go, just standing at the edge of what I know.
So a couple of my old army friends, the Kilvington brothers, you know who you are if you're watching. I've just been speaking to a guy called Carl Jones, I think his name was, and he said he remembers having a fight with you 2 years ago. You're troublemakers, guys. Happy days. Good morning, Tailwind. So I've just moored up here in this little lovely spot just short of Hawsbury Junction. I was going to go a little bit further, but I weren't sure if there's any moorings there, so I thought I'd stay here in the sun. But it's lovely, and what a lovely cruise it was as well. It was quite a hot one there today, folks. But that's lovely, isn't it? What a view I've got in the morning. My bedroom view, lovely. I think it's time for a shower and something to eat and just chill out for the rest of the day. It's been a great day. Happy days. Okay, so just to quickly show you where I've been travelling today. Here's Atherstone, and I was moored somewhere here, and I came down, winding down the canal on a lovely summer's day, all the way down, all the way down, all the way through Nuneaton. And then on the next page I carried on down here, winding my way down past Nuneaton, all the way down past this junction here, which is the Ashby Canal, carried on down, all the way down, all the way down here past Bedsworth, and then at the top of this page came down here, and I moored around here just short of Hawsbury Junction, where there's a lovely pub. And from there, in tomorrow, I'm going to come round here and then onto the Oxford, which is a new canal day. Happy days. So on the big boy map, this is where I started off from, here, around High Lane, come down the Macclesfield, onto the Trenton Mersey, all the way down here, past Rugeley and Lichfield, down here, onto the Coventry, past Tamworth and Atherstone, all the way down past Nuneaton, and I'm around here. Happy days. Unfortunately, folks, that's the end of this vlog. Lovely, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous here. Anyway, that is the end of this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all the subscribers, new and old. Thank you for all your lovely messages. And I've got no coffee shouts out this week, but I have had one coffee bought me, but for some reason it didn't go through to me, so I'll try and check what's gone on there. I'm not sure what's happened. Anyway, stay safe, folks. It's getting warm. Open the duck hatch. See you later, guys. Bye.
Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll